Every great building starts with an idea, but turning that idea into reality requires the right tools. Architectural design, you're passionate about modern design, beam workflows, and photorealistic visualization. In this series, I'll guide you through the essential software used by professional architects and designers from concept to final presentation. We'll start with AutoCAD, where precise technical drawings and construction documentation begin. Then we'll move into Rhino, the perfect tool for creating complex forms, conceptual models, and creative architectural designs. Next, we'll explore Revit, the industry standard beam software for intelligent 3D modeling, documentation, collaboration, and project coordination. Once the design is complete, we'll bring it to life with Enscape, transforming architectural models into realistic real-time renderings, cinematic walkthroughs, and immersive visual experiences. Along the way, I'll share practical workflows, professional tips, modeling techniques, rendering strategies, and real project examples that you can apply immediately, whether you're an architectural student, a beginner, or a professional looking to improve your workflow. This channel is designed to help you build practical skills with confidence. If you're passionate about architecture, modern design, BIM, and visualizing, you're in the right place. Subscribe and join me as we design, model, visualize, and create inspiring architecture together. Let's build the future, one project at a time.